Dude. Stop moving! Today we were going to be playing with Gravity Glow and Landbird. New Battleground Yeeps Hide and Seek update. Little did they know. Excuse me again, you. They're about to get destroyed. Looks like poor little boy.
Oh, okay. Nope.
Thank you, Susie.
You're welcome.
No.
Landbird!
Okay.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah.
Let's go!
That was a good play.
I'm being double teamed. Yes!
I forgot about those underwater.
What happened?
You're not freezing me again. Don't freeze me again, you little crap. Yeah. Hush.
That's probably my best round yet.
Yeah, I'm gonna clip me killing both of you. Stay clipped. You're not freeze bombing me again. Oh, if you would.
No, that's unfair. Nope, that was unfair.
Landbird. Just for doxing me.
Oh, sorry. Ah.
You're not playing Gorilla Tag, bud.
No. How do you double hit us? There you go.
What?
No shot, you actually already killed him.
Yeah. No freeze
He
bombs.
doesn't get off the game.
Dude,
Wait.
this update's been out for like a couple days. For a day.
No, not for a day, for like a week, but I've been playing for longer than a week because I have a lab. Because I'm a lab rat, I get to test out all the early updates.
Yeah, you didn't say that. Like,
No freeze bombs, mister.
no.
You and Landbird. Come here, ice ball user. Here, Landbird. Yes! The gravity killed you. But this isn't fair. I don't have much cotton. I spent all my cotton getting rid of those holes.
You got this gravity? Knock his booty cheeks out.
Yeah, how you gonna get up here now? Take that.
Yeah, gravity. Woo! You got this. You got this gravity. Woo!
Oh, that didn't go.
Oh yeah, gravity. Cook him. Cook him with your best shot.
You don't have enough wool, do you, to have that?
What?
You don't have enough wool to get a shoot. Trust me.
Get him. That's crazy.
Oh, you need a refill on cotton, I'm guessing.
No.
I threw a bat out there for you.
Thank you. Ow! In conclusion, I beat him up so much that he died.